How to fix FPL verification code not received. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with the process, the first step is to check for the Wi-Fi connection. When your Wi-Fi is acting up, such issue may persist. For that, drop down your notification center and change into a cellular data or turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Switch into a better Wi-Fi connection or a cellular data, after which you may receive the verification code. If not, open up your phone settings and tap on the apps button. Head over to all apps. In the search bar, search for PL. Tap on it. For stop the application, head over to storage and cache. In here, you need to clear up the cache to remove the glitch or the bug issue. After which, you can head back from here as well. Open up your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for FPL. If there is an update button, leave it for an update, and the last resort is to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. Also check that the phone number that you have added is correct. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.